sir. You ready?
Why are you leaving the truck running? Shut it off.
You know why. Oh.
Not what I think it is.
Oh.
Is it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, no.
Oh, you know
No, it's
you know
cold
you like
today,
it.
dude.
Yeah, but then if it's warm, there's gonna be bees in it.
And I don't mean 80, 90 degree weather, but it's like 30, not even 30 degrees outside. You gotta go now?
It's either now or never. Should we say what it is, or should we just go over and show everybody what it is?
I wouldn't even tell anybody if I was you, piece of junk.
I've been keeping my eye on that object for a very long time. You ready?
Yeah, let's go. You got all your chains and everything?
Yeah.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
It's gonna take all day to get there.
It's a long ride. Very long ride. And we're here. That was a long ride.
That was pretty good, huh? What's under there anyway?
Oh, I don't know.
You're gonna have to get me an ID.
Oh, yeah, G, here's your caps and a meatball sandwich for you guys. I'm making sauce. Are you serious? Yeah.
That's what I was looking for. Chevy Camaro.
Yeah, roll everything this way.
It does need a little work.
I hate rust.
You start to like it.
Oh man, we're gonna do this now.
Black vinyl top, bro. One thing is, this is not only tape. It's empty.
There's no car.
Yes, there is.
Well, here's John. That causes all the problems.
Problem's leaving.
Yeah, it's leaving here, but it's coming to me.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think, Leroy? You like it?
Seth, gentle, don't scratch.
Yeah, I'll try not to.
It's a hot set of wheels on a cold day like this. Woo, and that's that. Oh wow, look at this.
Oh,
That's
look at
beautiful.
this.
This is awesome.
That's when we still lived in Jersey.
Beautiful.
No kidding.
And that was when we lived on the farm.
That's awesome.
And I didn't have the garage or
That's
anything,
great.
you know? 'Cause we
So
didn't
what
have the
year? This
garage.
is 96.
Yeah,
Nice, very
Yeah.
nice. That's
Look
you?
at this.
that's me.
Attaboy.
That was my first vehicle.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Whenever you want to see your old car again.
I know,
Less than
I
a
know.
block away.
I
What do
know.
you think about that, huh? Does that work out sometimes or what?
That's awesome. That's why I wanted the little G to have it, man. 'Cause he thinks something.
Yeah.
He
You
is
know?
so thankful that you
I
gave
really
him first
am.
dibs.
Yeah.
He hasn't
No
slept since.
problem, little G. I want to see it when it's done, buddy.
I want to thank you
You
again.
had your eye on it for a long time, you know? So.
You know how long he's been asking me, Daddy, come on, we gotta stop. I'm like, leave the guy alone, will you? No, we gotta stop. He was like 6.
Yeah.
I'm like, leave the people alone. No, we gotta stop.
Yeah.
And one day he's just like, let's just try.
Yeah.
And I'm like, why do I listen to you? I took this little turn here. I'm like, why do I listen?
You know, it's funny you said that because a couple days before you guys body shop. You know, I watch all the videos and stuff. You know?
Sure.
And I said, I get a kick out of it. A little kid, you know, he said, he's something else. He could do something.
Oh, he works hard, you know.
Yeah,
That's
I
why for him to build the car up, why not?
Yeah.
Well, hey, I want to thank you for giving us a shot. Thank you so much. Hey, you got your meatball sandwich in the truck too, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll give you feedback. I'll let you know how I make out.
Yeah. All right, brother.
All right.
See you later.
See you later.
All right, you too. Got a little heat going on over here. Woo!
Yeah, what do you
Man, you know why I'm comfortable right now?
Why?
Because that car is so hot. Hot, baby! Hot!
think? It is lava.
Ouch!
You know what I mean?
That's why. We got Leroy here today doing the taping. Of
course.
Couldn't get him to go to work. Too cold, he said. Says, shit, man, stay home, motherfucker. That's what he told me. He's lucky he's allowed over here.
Yeah, sometimes he gets lazy. That, my friends, is how you do it. Right?
Yo, it's rotted.
It's how you cook though, so that doesn't matter anyway.
The other one fell off.
Yeah, you know why the other side was off? Because it's so fast.
Damn.
Alright, now I understand you're not supposed to tow the car backwards, but I didn't really have a choice and it was literally right around the block. So what could happen is if you do it like this, the doors could open and it's going against the wind. But in this case, I had to.
Dig it off. Start moving forward. Wait up. Good. That's enough.
That, my friends, is how you get a 68 Camaro. Step one. Look at that interior. Wow. Smells good.
Oh, there's some kind of living in there.
Pop!
Yes, sir.
Hey, Pops. Come here. Look at the back wheels. Craggers.
Oh, why'd you take the wheel off?
The old owner, he wants the back wheels.
Oh, he wanted the wheels back?
because it's from his Chevelle and all that.
Oh, okay. All right, you got it some spare. It looks better with
Well,
these
here's
anyway.
the thing.
Here's the thing, one thing.
68 Camaro.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And you know Camaro. Camaro's always going to be a Camaro.
Unless you cut the nose off, put a Pontiac nose, then it'll be a Pontiac.
Or no. Camberg. Camberg and
No, it'll be
Firebird.
a
Camaro, Camberg.
Firebird.
Anyway, I did some research on the car. I ran the VIN, the third digit in the VIN. If it's a 3, identifies as a 6-cylinder. If it's a 4, it's a V8 car.
You sure about that?
Yes. And it's a 4, so it's a V8 car. So this was never a 6-cylinder. This was always a V8 car. Alright? Next thing I need to do, I gotta see if there's a build sheet. If the car was made in Los Angeles, the build sheet's on top of the gas tank, which is so rare to find a build sheet. Build sheets on top of the gas tanks on these Camaros in Los Angeles
like
have been
impossible.
gone since like when it
But
was new.
it's on the East Coast, so most
Anyway.
likely. Oh, you know what? Your
In
67 might. That's a West Coast car.
It's from Cali?
Or something. It was bought secondhand, 1-year-old in Washington State. So it might have
Okay.
wandered up there.
Probably, yeah.
Something like that.
This
yeah.
was built in Norwood.
Norwood, Ohio.
In the VIN number it says NOR, so the build sheet's under one of the seats.
Or not there at all.
Or not there at all.
Which is most likely
Which is most
the case.
likely the case. But
Right.
it was always a V8 car, 327. It's not a numbers matching engine. It's nothing.
Right, look, right. No, it says Super Sport.
That's his emblem there.
It might be a Super Sport. Is it?
I don't know.
That might be a
However-
350 instead. If this is 350 and it says Super Sport, it could be because the Super Sport came with a 350 and a 396.
Well, I ran. Anyway,
So what do you got
I
here?
went through the car. I took all the garbage out of it. Okay. I put it in a box for you.
What does it say? W-A-R-D? Leroy. Is that Camaro? Oh, I thought it's W-A-R-D. I thought it said. Word,
Oh.
no parking.
This was on top of all this.
Nice. That's Wayward Pine or something like that. What's the thing's name?
It's the name.
What's his name? Griman. He's English.
His name is Mike
You got a wet owner's manual.
for the 68 Camaro.
You got a ShopRite coupon book.
These
Oh,
always come
a
handy.
scraper. This is back in the day.
This is English Town Raceway
Here's
Park.
another car show.
Children under 12 is free. I'm 8.
One shocks. Let me
Valve
say
cover.
shock, or do you still say shocks? Like deer, if there's a whole bunch of them, it's deers, gooses. This is your vent for the thing. This is off your intake
You got
manifold.
about one
You
valve
got
cover.
Wayward Pine. You got a valve cover. You got a gallon of.
Empty.
Never mind, an empty
Sort of.
gallon.
Well, it's got some in it.
That's good. This had a belt in there one time. AAA plus. There you go.
Good thing is, I got the car to crank. I put some gas in the carburetor. It's starting to kick, but it's not really there yet. It still wants to
Check
keep sleeping.
compression.
Yes, that's my next step. It doesn't want to come back to life. It's like, please, no more, no more. Be careful. No. Now, here's the thing. This is the second paint job. Then third, and you know what the first was?
This has a lot more than just 3.
I think it was called Seafoam Green.
No, something else. it's a light green metallic. It's actually a really nice color.
It's kind of hard to see. You can see it in
See
there.
if there's anything in here that's like green or something.
Look over my face. Taking over the world. What's that? A 68 Camaro, possible SS RS plus
It's an
E28.
SS. It is. It's an SS.
It's an SS.
Or an RS.
You know what?
Or a PS.
It might be a Giuseppe S. Even more rare.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.